buy everything in advance because looking for somebody over here to buy a pass, to buy everything, to do an activity is really hard. I've been talking to 3 people already just to pay for the bowling. They have few activities for the kids. And make sure your kids are higher than 42 because if not, they're not gonna be able to do anything. Even on the water slide. If you don't have the pass, you gotta buy these coins to make sure you can play the stuff. But they have all these other activities over here. They have like the sky watching, you know. But you gotta make sure your kid is over 43 or 45, and then they have the arcade over there. They have the bowling alley over there. The bowling alley right there. It's actually for kids, so it's like a small bowling alley. It's not for the big kids. You gotta buy the pass. It's like $159 a pass to do all these activities in limited times. You can go over and over and over all you want. But since my kids are not big enough to do none of this, we didn't get them. And then they have the no sign. It's just a little wall though for kids too. I think this place is meant to be for toddlers, not for kids. Big enough, not to do. But yeah, make sure you get a pass in advance. If you have more than 4 kids, it covers the whole family, it covers the whole room. You can do the arcade. This one is open 24 hours. 24 hours the arcade. You know, basically whatever it is on the arcade. Let's go find the girls. Let's see what they're doing. Hopefully they found some food. They went to get some tacos or some pizza. I don't know what they find. See you guys in a minute. We got some burgers from the place. They got some fries and some chicken nuggets. They ate some chicken nuggets. She's living on me, yeah.
That's a better attitude now. Food makes them happy.
All she needed was some food. Let's do a review on these burgers and see how they taste like. I know. It tastes just like a double cheeseburger with lettuce and tomatoes. How's the fried taste? You like yours, Leila? Chicken nuggets and fries. 3, 2. Good morning. Let's wake up the girls. Lily, wake up. Mama. We gotta go swimming. Layla. Layla. The baby's waking up too. Good morning. Good morning. she's not having it this morning. Wake up, girls. Okay, now we're eating breakfast. In the morning we got some good breakfast. Anyway, we got some good breakfast. The breakfast is like $50 a whole buffet. It's pretty good. I saw some reviews online that says it was bad, but so far it's so good. Leila, ¿qué comes? Yeah? You like it? What are you eating, Lily? Huh? pancakes. She's eating pancakes. What Mama is eating?
It's like some good pork.
Well, we're gonna enjoy this breakfast and go ahead and go to the water park in a second. Okay, now we're here outside on the pool, just enjoying a little bit of time while the breakfast goes down. Mama, baby, Layla's getting ready to go swim. Okay. Lily, ready to go swim.